Craving a decadent chocolate dessert without turning on your oven? Get ready to discover the easiest, creamiest, no-bake chocolate icebox pie, perfect for any occasion. This no-bake wonder is a dream for summer days, keeping your kitchen cool. It's also a fantastic make-ahead option for busy holidays and family gatherings. Its rich, creamy texture and deep chocolate flavor are universally loved. Plus, it's incredibly simple to prepare, making it accessible for everyone. For the crust, you'll need 1.5 cups crushed graham crackers or chocolate cookies, 1/3 cup sugar, and 6 tablespoons melted butter. It's simple and classic. For the luscious filling, grab 1¼ cups heavy cream, 8 ounces finely chopped dark chocolate, 1/2 cup powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional garnishes like whipped cream, chocolate shavings, or berries add a beautiful finishing touch. You'll need basic kitchen tools. Mixing bowls are key for combining ingredients smoothly. An electric mixer is essential for whipping the cream to the perfect consistency. A spatula helps with folding and spreading. Finally, a pie dish is needed to shape and set your beautiful dessert. First, prepare the crust. Combine graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter in a bowl. Mix until everything is evenly moistened. Press this mixture firmly into your pie dish, covering the bottom and sides. Chill it in the refrigerator while you make the filling. Next, make the chocolate filling. Heat heavy cream in a saucepan until it simmers, then pour it over the chopped chocolate in a bowl. Let it sit briefly. Stir until the chocolate is completely melted and the mixture is smooth and glossy. Add powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Use an electric mixer to whip the mixture until it thickens and forms soft peaks. Don't overmix. Pour the creamy chocolate filling into your chilled crust. Smooth the top with a spatula for a neat finish. Add any optional garnishes now if you like, or wait until serving. Refrigerate the pie for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This allows it to set properly and develop its full flavor. Serve chilled slices with extra whipped cream or berries. It pairs wonderfully with coffee or a glass of milk. Feel free to customize your pie. Try an Oreo or shortbread crust for a different base. Add mix-ins like nuts or a splash of liqueur to the filling. Experiment with toppings like meringue or fruit compote. Making this chocolate icebox pie is a simple pleasure. It's a versatile dessert perfect for any time of year, requiring minimal effort for maximum deliciousness. Try this recipe for your next gathering or just because. Share your creations and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy dessert ideas.